Hey, it's Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today, I want to show you the 3 places that you need to be letting customers message you if you want to win carpet cleaning jobs on the internet. So if you own a carpet cleaning business and you want to win more customers, I recommend that you turn on messaging in these 3 places and allow customers to send you a message. The first place is in your Google My Business account. I'll show you a quick example. Just on this screenshot, if you go to google.com/business, you can see in this screenshot, they're showing a Chicago music store as an example. Pretend this was your carpet cleaning company. If somebody clicks this message button right here, it will actually send a message to your carpet cleaning company via Google My Business. And if you have the Google My Business app on your phone, or if you have Google My Business logged in on your computer, you can respond to these customers' messages, give out quotes and book jobs just as if you were text messaging or Facebook messaging with them. So if you have Google My Business, you need to enable messaging in that account. And if you're going to do it on Google My Business, I recommend that you respond to every single message you get as quickly as possible, but definitely within 24 hours. If you don't respond within 24 hours, Google will turn your messaging off and you won't be getting messages anymore. So go and turn your messaging on in your Google My Business account. I have a separate video on my YouTube channel about that. So just look for Search Party Marketing and Google My Business messages, and you should find that on YouTube. The second place you want to turn on messaging is on your Yelp account. If you have a Yelp profile and you turn on messaging, customers will get a button on your profile that says request a quote, and they can request a quote from your business, and they can then message back and forth with you so you can firm up the price and the details and book the appointment. So if you use Yelp, if you have reviews on Yelp, I highly recommend that you turn on the messaging feature on your Yelp profile. And then finally, the third place is on your Facebook profile. If you have a Facebook page for your carpet cleaning business, definitely want to make sure that you have Facebook messaging turned on for your page so that people can message your page and request quotes and information from you. You can even add a send message button onto your profile so that the main call to action button on your Facebook page is send message, and people can send a message to talk with you. So if you want to win more carpet cleaning customers on the internet for your carpet cleaning business, I recommend that you turn on Google My Business, Yelp, and Facebook messaging today and be responsive on all 3 of them. It really helps if you have the apps. So go ahead and get the Facebook page app, the Yelp business app, and the Google My Business app on your phone. I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Hit like on this video and subscribe on our channel, and we'll talk to you next time.